teach you how to tail it flat. First, you need to be able to land it on a bank. So, like, on a 7 or something like that. Because that one's if it's just like a quarter and you run to the 7 or something. But, so you have something to, you know how to land it on. Then you're just going to get smaller and smaller after that. And when you think you're ready, you need to be able to flip plant, whip, and then, so just like that. And then after that, you need just whip it. Just like whipping it, don't land with anything on. Just practice whipping it. And you need to be able to like whip it really fast. Just when you kick it. So, and then after that, you need to try to whip it, land it 1 foot, and then we'll keep doing that. But once you whip it and land it 1 foot,
Stupid bug.
once you whip it and land it 1 foot, you pretty much have it because you're just letting your feet apart. So if you whip it, put your feet together, 1 foot's landing where the other foot is. So they're both landing on the deck. As long as you want this foot, well, your right foot or whatever, to land where your left foot, or yeah, where it is, you land. So just keep practicing 1 foot, and then when you think you're ready, just put your feet together so you. I'll show you one real quick. One second, I don't know. Okay. And then my friend Higgins can do one real quick.
On the grit or the 5-star?
Great. Right. Because you're better on it. Great, I think. Wait. Alright. Go. Oh, I missed it. Go again. Ready? Go. Try it again.
Keep overwhipping.
Hurry. So it gets it. Hey, there you go. Hey.
Bye.
Yeah. Bye. And that's how to tail it flat. Keep trying and you'll do it. You'll land it. I know you'll land it. You have it in you. You just need to practice it so you can do it.
Here's me doing it on 5-star.
Oh. Well, I gotta do it on grit then.
Okay.
Whatever. But hurry, I don't know if I'll get the whole thing.
Oh.
Close enough. Now record me.
I don't even know if I'm getting them.
Well, there you have it, folks. Bye.
Bye.